Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we have number 1. So we know that number 1, that is about sine s squared plus cosine s squared. So I need to change number 1 into this one. Now sine s squared divided by sine x to the power of 5. So you got sine x to the power of 3. Cosine s squared divided by cosine x. You got cosine x. And now we have like this. The next one, number 1, we can change from into this one. So sine s squared divided by sine x to the power of 3. Cosine s squared divided by cosine x. You got cosine x. And now we have number 1 over cosine x sine x. And the next one, cosine x over sine x to the power of 3. And the last one, number 1 in here, we can transform into sine x squared plus cosine x squared. So this one we do the same. And now we have the final answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we have u sine x dx. We change for negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine x. Now we do similar for the second one. So we use about integration by substitution. But I will select about u equal to sine x. So if we do first derivative, we have cosine x dx. And now this one we have u. This one we have du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine x. Now let's go to this one and this one. We do the same technique in here. So if we apply this one in here, that should be like this. So sine s we change for u, and we have 1 over u to the power of 3. And the second one we have 1 over u to the power of 5. So for this one, we can transform into u to the power of negative number 3. This one, that is about u to the power of negative number 5. And now we can apply the formula in here. So we put negative number 3 gone here. So we have u to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2. The next one we do the same. About u, that is about sine s. Now we compile the answer. So we have this one, the next one, and the last one. And this is the answer for question number 1. Now let's go to the second one. I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u. The s over s we change for the u. Now we have the square root. We can put like this. The square root, that is about 1 over 2. And now we use the formula in here. So we put 3 over 2 gone here. And this one we have 5 over 2. About u, that is about f and s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.